Be a friend with nature.
This book is an outcome of the project Development of Digital Stories to Nurture Children's Positive Values and Attitudes, under the supervision of Professor Jackie Funking Lee. The project was supported by the Faculty Knowledge Transfer Fund of the Faculty of Humanities, the Education University of Hong Kong. Lily, Ruby, and Judith were good friends. Recently, they realized that their hometown was less beautiful than before. They saw plastic bags littering the streets, smelled emissions from industries, and knew that the expansion of the city was invading the countryside and many animals were becoming homeless.
Can nature and humans live in harmony?
On a lovely Saturday morning, the three girls went hiking. The goal of this journey was to answer their questions. Can nature and humans live in harmony? Let's see what they discovered. A green minibus picked them up, and their journey began. The sky was vivid blue and a gentle wind blew. The minibus drove slowly on the busy city streets. It traveled past skyscrapers like a tiny ant. The three girls chatted excitedly, and their crystalline laughter echoed along the way. The minibus turned left at the end of a road and drove into an avenue where tall trees grew. Finally, they arrived at a stone gate with a sign that read, Shing Mun Country Park. The girls got off the minibus and started their walk along the nature trail. On the side of the path, Lily saw a little monkey. It looked at them curiously, as if it wanted something. Lily tried to get closer, but the monkey was frightened.
Should Lily get close to the monkey or feed it? What a cute monkey! Why is he so afraid? I just want to give him some food.
It's not good to do that. You see, here is a sign. It says, "Don't feed wild animals."
Yeah, if you give these monkeys snacks, they will get used to it and grab food from tourists. They may also have stomach aches after eating human food.
All right, let's just take a photo of them.
The girls arrived at the park. Suddenly, a beautiful butterfly flew up to them.
We are in the butterfly garden.
Let me catch the little butterfly.
Oh no, don't catch her. She likes us. She's showing us the way.
Maybe she thinks we're flowers and wants to drink nectar from us.
Should Lily catch the butterfly?
They passed the butterfly, careful not to collide with the dancing beauty. A delicate butterfly is fragile, and a gust of wind could blow it away. The girls walked along the paper-bark tree corridor. The paper-bark trees stood straight like a group of soldiers. The girls stopped and gazed at these huge monsters.
They look like dinosaurs. They are so tall.
They look like octopuses. They have so many arms and legs.
Trees can refresh the air and keep flies away. They are our lifeguards and our most intimate friends.
Do you know some other uses of paperbark trees?
After walking for a while, the girls came to the paperbark tree grove. They gazed at the distant mountains and saw that in the hollow of the mountains a corner of the city was visible.
Wow! I can see some of the buildings in the city.
They're blending with the mountains.
Maybe people and nature can live together in harmony.
Curiously, they explored further along the path. They saw 2 cows lying on the grass.
Huh? What's that smell? It stinks.
Aha! There are 2 cows. It's the smell of their dog.
Cow dung may smell bad, but it's perfect fertilizer.
After a long hard walk, the girls reached the viewing site. They took a break there and shared some snacks. Judith had a packet of nuts, Ruby opened a box of chocolates, and Lily took out a bag of oranges. They had a great time. After refreshing themselves, they collected all the rubbish.
Where should the girls put their rubbish?
The girls put all the rubbish into a bag and took it home. Do you know why? Then the girls started to go down the hill. When they reached the bottom, they saw the main dam as a whole. The shadows of the mountains behind it looked like a delicate watercolor painting. They stood on the shore and enjoyed the beautiful view.
Look! There's a barking dog. It's looking around fiercely.
Aha! Maybe it's trying to cross the reservoir.
Oh no, it looks aggressive. The owner should keep it on a leash. It's dangerous to let a vicious dog run loose.
The hike was almost over, and it was time to go home. Lily saw Ruby holding some fallen branches.
Ruby, why are you collecting these dead branches?
I want to use them to make a Christmas wreath.
Wow, that's so cool. I can help you. Should we take fallen branches home?
I don't think we should take wood from any country parks. Fallen branches can be homes and nutrients for lizards and birds.
It's a pity I can't make a Christmas wreath. But you got a point.
Hey girls, why not use cardboard and waste paper instead? I have plenty of those in my home.
That's great.
Then a minibus came and took the 3 happy girls home. After a week, Lily brought Ruby some cardboard and waste paper, and they began to make a Christmas wreath. Are you ready to make your own Christmas wreath with Ruby? Let's go. Ruby took out scissors and glue. She cut the cardboard into the shape of a ring. Then she folded the waste paper to make flowers. After that, Ruby painted them with colorful paints. She painted the ring brown and the flowers in different colors. Then she decorated the ring with the delicate paper flowers. Ruby made a beautiful wreath. The 2 girls hung the wreath next to Santa on the wall and were really pleased with it.